Hey everyone! Sorry I can't be there today. I am feeling a little under the weather, but I figured I could make a video to share my weekly announcements since I can't be there. So I have three different announcements. One is a reminder that assignment number 11, the tutoring reflection, was due today at 6 p.m. If you haven't done that yet, I still highly recommend that you do because I think it could be helpful. A reminder for that is you book an appointment with me where we talk about what you think you'll find challenging this semester and we come up with a plan, and then you fill out a brief reflection on what we talked about and that plan in Canvas through the assignment number 11 page. Number 2 announcement is that essay number 1 on growth mindset is due a week from today, which means meeting with a professional tutor to talk about that essay will also be due a week from today. So definitely book your appointments now to make sure you get that in. If our schedules don't happen to line up, you can always work with another tutor in my program. You just book the same way through the same website as you would book with me. Just click on one of their profiles instead of mine. You can also work with someone in the English lab as well, which you have enrolled in, by doing those GLAs. So Eric can advise you on how to do that if you need more information. Speaking of appointments with me, some of you have expressed confusion on where to find my Zoom link for appointments. So as a reminder, you should be getting an email confirmation after you book the appointment that has my Zoom link in it. But if you're not getting that email for some reason and it's not in junk, then you can always find it in Canvas. So let me share my screen real quick to show you where to find it. So I'm in our Canvas modules page. For you, the student success will probably pop up and be open, but you want to just keep scrolling down once you get to tutoring and resources. So this is the module where you can go to tutoring with Tracy and find my Zoom link right at the top. Here it is. So it's the same Zoom link the entire semester, so feel free to grab this and save it, or you can always come back here to the modules page to grab it. My third and final announcement is that study group is tomorrow at 8 p.m. in my Zoom room. Some students have expressed difficulty in how to incorporate evidence in their essay 1s. So I thought we could talk about that. Talk about what you can actually use as evidence for this paper and provide maybe a sample body paragraph or two where I'm incorporating evidence and we can look at that in my writing. But of course, if you would rather talk about something else, please message me and let me know and we can do that. All right, those are my announcements. I hope you all are well. Again, I'm sorry for not being there, but hopefully I will see you soon. All right, bye everyone.